for you?
I was going to say that when I first started, I know more now about the business, and it made me respect it a lot more than what I do now. Because being an actress in front of the camera, you're concerned about what you do and what your work is then. But when you step behind and you understand the business of show business, it makes you respect everyone else's job and understand what sportsmanship and teammanship is all about, because it's not just about the people that's in front of the camera. It makes all of us have to collectively come together to be one person, one entity, one whole to make it happen.
Can I ask the ladies a question? What is your dream role?
I want to be an action hero.
Action hero?
I can see that.
Yeah.
You want to be
Totally a
Salt?
Bond girl. Yeah.
A Bond girl, maybe?
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, I can. You know what? First of all, for those of us, you know, I guess...
Oh, hold on, she didn't answer. Go ahead.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
No.
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to say this too early, but I am such a huge fan of Whitney Houston, and I wanted to do it even before her passing. So if I ever got the opportunity, I would love to tell the honest
Can
story
you
for
sit?
her.
No.
You know, Roger, you will not take this over. Like he will always.
Can I pass or what?